So here's the homepage. Not much going on here right now. Don't really care about the homepage at this point. So let's click on through to the landing page. Here we have the landing page for the free giveaway for the report, and we will discuss that in a second. What's up, everybody? It's Kevin Love, aka K Love, and I'm back with the 12 Startups in 12 Months Challenge, where I'm doing 12 new projects in 2023 with the goal of growing them to profitability. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the next project. So the next two projects are very similar in nature. They basically use the same business model, but they're in two very different niches. It's basically to start a two-step funnel. So there's a landing page with a giveaway, something for free in exchange for the visitor's email. And when they enter their email and hit the submit button, they end up on a thank you page that thanks them for signing up to get the freebie and sells an affiliate product where if they make the purchase, then we get paid a commission. And also, of course, this gets the person on the email list so that I can nurture that list, provide more information about the topic, and potentially promote other products down the road. So the topic of the first one is herbalism. Now, how did I come up with that idea? Well, a big thing online is the DIY space or do it yourself. There's a lot of content flying around about that on places like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Shorts, Pinterest, pretty much everywhere. Some examples are woodworking, cooking, furniture restoration, something called upcycling, where I guess you take like different pieces of junk and like put them together to make something cool or useful. So I thought, why not herbs? I mean, there's interest in growing and using herbs for medicinal purposes, remedies, cookings, and I like to grow them and use them myself. So I have interest in it. So why not? So let's take a look at the site, starting with how I used ChatGPT to help me basically build the entire thing, mainly in the copywriting sense. So here we go. So let's take a quick look at some of the other copywriting instances that we have used with ChatGPT. So here I have fed the sales page from Nicola Pellion into ChatGPT. Then scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. We're going to get a sales page here given us by ChatGPT. So let's take a look at how I used ChatGPT to build this whole thing. So let's start with the brand name. So I said, ChatGPT, please act as a creative brand strategist, yada, yada, yada. The brand name should be versatile enough to accommodate future expansion of the site. So let's take a look. It gave me all of these brand name possibilities with little descriptions to go along with them, and I went ahead with Botanic Boost here, number 7, because I liked the sound of it, and I was able to get a domain that was conducive to it. So there we go. So now I needed to think about a color scheme for the website. And of course, I again turned to ChatGPT and asked it to act as a web designer with expertise in color theory, as we can see up here. And it gave me several options here for some different palettes. So Forest Dawn, Herbal Garden, Ocean Breeze. I ended up going with the Herbal Garden palette for this site. So for the free report, I actually copied and pasted this sales letter for this product that I'm going to be promoting and put it into ChatGPT. And then ChatGPT was then able to use that information. I'm going to keep scrolling down here. And then ChatGPT helped me right here to create the free report based on the information from that sales letter. We'll get into that sales letter a little bit down the road here, so bear with me. So I also used ChatGPT to create an introduction and a conclusion to the report. So we have the prompt here. So in this prompt, I'm asking ChatGPT to write a compelling and engaging introduction to the report. So I did that, and then we have that here. And then here I'm asking ChatGPT to write a conclusion to the report. So we have a full comprehensive report. So an introduction, and then it talks about all of the herbs, and then it does a conclusion. So let's pull this up here. So we have the cover page, table of contents, introduction, and of course I have to modify the text that ChatGPT gives me because it's not always perfect. So, I mean, it comes out pretty good, but it's not always perfect. So, you take a look at it, you modify it, you improve it, and so this is what we have. So, introduction here, and then all of the herbs, and then the conclusion. So here's the home page. Not much going on here right now. This isn't really the page that I'm concerned with right now. I will be concerned with it later on as I build out the site, after I validate the idea and whatnot. But let's take a look at the landing page. So if we click through and then we go to the landing page, we have an offer here, an offer for a free report in exchange for first name and email address. So you enter your name, enter your email, you say send my free report, and then the report will be sent to you. There's a little bit of sales copy here, and then another form right here to have the user send their first name and email again. This is a really simple site that is basically just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And I want to give a big shout out to Xiaoying Riley. Xiaoying, I apologize if I'm butchering your name. You've created a nice template here that we can use to our advantage, and you're very talented. Thank you very much. So when the website visitor fills out their first name, email, and clicks send my free report, they'll be taken to this page. So this is a basic two-step funnel. There is a download link here, and then a bit of a sales page for the affiliate offer. So I was bumming around ClickBank. If you don't know ClickBank, it is an affiliate marketplace. So you can sign up and then find offers that are conducive to your website. So I found this one. It's medicinal kit, and it's this doctor, this PhD, who has found some herbs to help her with her situation, and now she sells seeds. So I'm going to sell this offer. If we take a look at the marketplace, the average conversion on this offer is $54. So that sounds good to me. I'm going to make this the primary offer on my two-step funnel here. So back at the thank you page, we're going to give them the download link here for the report, and then we're going to sort of sell them on the offer for immediate monetization for the ClickBank offer. So if they click show me the kit, then it goes to the offer, and that is tied to my ClickBank affiliate ID. So if they make a purchase, then I get a commission. So that's going to do it for this video. In the next one, we're going to talk about a very similar site. It's similar in the model, but it's in a completely different niche. So stay tuned for that one. If you like this video, please give it a like and hit subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps me out here on YouTube. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.